I think we turn right here, don't we?
Oh, you're nearly in Hareham, aren't we?
Oh, bit of a refusal there.
Bit of a refusal. Oh.
Oops. Can you hear a car?
Oh.
Can you hear a car? Right. This side. I think it backfired, didn't it?
I think so. There it goes again. First helping of a thatched cottage.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Ooh, very substantial obelisk.
Oh, it's lovely that.
And your exit window. Keeping it real. Holly Cottage.
Is that it? Is that what's left of the holly?
Oh yeah. Oh, lovely. Oh, beautiful barn.
Oh yeah, beautiful Dutch barn. Wow. Any evidence of the mill wheel? Have a quick. Some in the side wall.
Oh yeah.
But, no. Cottage. I think you're in Constable country.
Oh wow, so look, we're at the level of the water.
Really? Oh wow.
I can hear running water.
So is that where they've created a
Yeah,
height
I think
to
so.
increase the... Nice. Oh, that's nice.
Quite nice, quiet lane, isn't it? And after all, we are walking in the middle of a road.
Yes.
Oh, that's an old cottage, isn't it? Oh wow.
Is it called Rose Cottage?
Yeah. How old that is.
Sweet.
Beautiful. And a thatch between two of the houses. Or is that part of one of the houses? It is, because there's no front door.
Is this all?
There's a name there and a name there, so.
We come out there before.
I think that's where we go in, isn't it?
Is it?
Do you miss the village going this way?
I thought we went out down the road near the Star.
Well, we can do. This is,
Otherwise, we don't see the dismantled thing.
yeah, do you want to go through the village?
Yeah. And that's the mill pond.
Yeah. Well, that definitely is the footpath.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. That's entirely up to you.
Yeah, I'm happy to go through the village. Lovely spot, isn't it?
Sweet.
Hello. Which is that, the pheasant?
That's the thing.
Is it pheasant?
Pheasant, definitely.
It's definitely a bird.
It's definitely the pheasant.
Pheasant, right. Small village with two very fine restaurants and hotels in. I think the star's a Michelin star, isn't it? The Star Inn's a Michelin star, isn't it?
It is.
Is that Michelin star, did you say?
It's got a Michelin star.
A Michelin star, yeah.
And parking
Do you
around
want
the
to go
church.
do you want to go in the church?
Well, there's no parking things. You know, there's a wedding.
Let's have a look. At 2:30, if there was one, it's been.
Yeah.
No, don't think it's open.
Oh.
Just spinning. Push, nothing.
Welcome tomorrow.
Yeah, not today though. It's the second old school house I've seen today. Ooh, that's a yard, isn't it? I can smell the restaurant. Well, I think we saw it. Was it this week? We saw the episode with Rick Stein in there.
Yes, we did watching that. I think it was in January, wasn't it?
Andrew Pern showing him how to cook Yorkshire puddings.
Yorkshires.
Sorry?
His Yorkshires.
His Yorkshires,
inspired you to buy a new
Did.
Yorkshire tin?
New tray. So I got a new thatch on it then. Seems it burnt down recently. Yeah, Michelin 2024.
I smell fried onion.
Yeah, I can. Oh, I really can. Someone's having a dirty burger.
Dirty burger. Number 9.
Oh yeah, inside number 9. I actually didn't know they were open Saturday lunchtime.
Did you know?
No. Is this some of the accommodation?
Yeah, it said hotel reception there, so all this.
Some Harrogate Spring there. Some Coley, Coke.
Out in the sun.
That crossover with this bend. I suppose if there's a wedding, do you think you might have seen a wedding, then maybe the reception's there. It's very full, the car park.
Yeah. Oh, rabbit.
Oh yeah. Is that nice? Oh, run off as soon as we said that. So that was Hareham. Called it Harome for years, I think.
Sorry?
I think I called it Harome for years.
Okay.
Harome as in Jerome, whereas it's Hareham as in Scareham. Yeah, I think if we'd have taken that footpath by the mill pond,
Yes.
it comes out here by this bridge.
Oh, okay. And then it's on the road.
Yeah.
Is that a bench?
It is a bench, yeah. 8 miles.
Can you say it's 11? This one?
Car. Or van, to be
It's
precise.
narrow as well.
We'll just go on to the side, outside at Bend. Yeah, looks like it must probably there. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have a look how long we're on this.
Oof. I'd watch it about.
Point 6, 0.7 of a mile. Ten, 15 minutes, something like that.
On the road.
Yeah. Sounds like it's going fast.
Nice. They've been Sean.
Yeah. Shaun the sheep. I'm not actually sure I got that straight away.
Okay.
That shouldn't surprise you.
No. I'm back again.
So this bike is okay, yeah. Ah, that's nice. That's kind of me on a bike. Hi. Tootling.
Tootling and a pootling.
Tootling. Is it this month or next month the tour? I always get it mixed up.
Does it usually begin about the beginning of July?
When it's baking hot. Another one going fast on. That was very good of him. Slowed right down there. Another one. We'll cross over because of that bend again. Should we have a drink when we go into the field?
Yes, please. that pretty rose there.
Oh yeah.
I've got to.
Car coming.
Should we get on the verge?
Yeah.
Car coming.
Another one.
On the verge, it's not moving,
Yeah.
is it?
New.
How much further?
I think it's the, you know when you can't see the road because it bends?
Yeah.
I think it's
There.
there. I think where that car is.
We
There's not really the verge enough here, though.
go up and we-
Should we cross over?
Oh, car coming. That was quiet, wasn't it?
Yeah. So I'm guessing it's here. Have a look. Yep. Do you think it's straight down?
Yep. Go down this crease.
Yeah. Yeah, good idea.
Is that a Jacobs sheep?
Is that a what, sorry?
A Jacobs, look.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe it was orphaned. Ooh, let's get moving. It's freezing. Buggy in here.
Yeah, I guess it's the lowest point for the water.
Might go up.
Shall we go up then? Oof, that was a big jump for a sheep. So more evidence of dismantled railway. Do you think this is the same one we saw earlier?
I think so.
No way of getting up onto this one.
Over at Nunningson.
See more on the other side.
And
9 miles.
yeah. so obvious, isn't it?
Yeah. Even the trees are still there.
Yeah.
It's a strange little area, isn't it? Nice and cool.
Coming up to the fish farm now, aren't we? So.
So that's the second lot of those arrows I've seen. They definitely don't want you to go up that bit of road, which is where the original path went.
Oh, right, did it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wonder why.
like something from Halloween.
Yeah. Bit different to the fish farm we saw last week. Oh yeah. Yeah, they are. They're teeming with fish.
Oh, yes.
Wow, they're big, aren't they?
They are.
So there's some food coming down there. Is that why those fish are?
Is it just dripping all the time? All around it, aren't they?
Yeah. Again, so these are the new kind and these are the old.
Yeah. They look like they were natural ponds, don't
Yeah.
they? Whereas they're
Yeah.
concrete.
When you say natural,
As in not,
dug out.
not lined with concrete.
Right. And there's an empty one, look, just to show you how they are. It's like a lock.
Yeah.
A lock, L-O-C-K, not an L-O-C-H.
Oh, there's something there, look.
Oh yeah, there's lots, isn't there?
Ooh.
Well, it's a big operation. They're the bigger ones.
Oh.
Ooh. Is that a natural thing for a fish to jump?
We see them do it in rivers, don't we?
I guess so.
Is it flour? Is it literally the Hansel and Gretel way? Well, we are now on a known walk out. This is the Eber way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Just a little bit.